Hello, YouTube. I am just sitting here getting some work done, and I was able to do a stability and core workout at the gym the other day, and I recorded it, and I am gonna post it so you guys can give it a try. After doing this, my core was killing me, and it was also so difficult to balance. I think my balance is really poor. I can say that from just attempting to stand on one leg. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and do this more just to prepare my ankles for all kinds of terrain. So comment below if you do the workout, and if you don't comment, whatever, I don't care.